Hello viewers, welcome to the tutorial video. So if you have tried to simulate Nodemcu in Proteus, you might have a hard time because you may not find the right module or the part to simulate. So the problem with it is there are no pre-built models that you can use in Proteus to simulate Nodemcu, or there are no third-party libraries that have been built. But there is another way to do the same task. So all you need is an Arduino and a COM port so that you can simulate the behavior of the Nodemcu into Proteus. So for that you need to take some components from the component library. First, let's take Arduino. You can take any Arduino. In this case, I am choosing the Arduino Uno, and you need a COM port. So let's choose the COM port. The role of this COM port is that the data coming into your PC, it will capture that port and read those data from that port and send that data to the Arduino. And to test it, we need an LED. Let's take the red LED, and we need a register. Okay, so we're good to go. Now let's take the Arduino. And take the LED. I will be connecting the LED into digital pin 7. You can choose any pin. And we need a register. And we need a ground. Okay, so now let's set the value of the register to 220 ohm. Now we need a serial monitor so that we can, as we call in Proteus, the virtual terminal, so that we can observe what data is coming. And now it's time to set up the COM pin. We need to connect the RX to the RX of the Arduino and the TX to the TX of the Arduino, and same goes here, RX to the RX and TX to the TX. Okay, so now the idea behind the simulating Nodemcu is you need to upload the code into your Nodemcu. I am using the Nodemcu version 3 for this demonstration. You can use any version of Nodemcu. So what it does is you upload the code into the Nodemcu, and then you interact with the Nodemcu and send the data serially to your computer. Connect your Nodemcu using the USB cable, and you have to note down the port of the Nodemcu, and you have to select that port here. Okay, so now let's check the Nodemcu code. So this is the Nodemcu code. Keep in mind, here you need to change the SSID of your Wi-Fi and also the password of your Wi-Fi so that the Nodemcu can connect to the internet. And after that, I am not going through the most of the demonstration. I'm just explaining the things necessary. So here we have two buttons. One is the LED on button, and another one is the LED off button. So when you press the LED on button, it will capture that input and it will send light on hash. The hash is used to tell the processor that the send of a string has been complete, and for light off we are sending light off, and at the end we're adding a hash. And you need to keep in mind that the baud rate need to be same. So in this case I am using the baud rate 9600. Okay, so let's go ahead and upload that code into the Nodemcu. So you can see here the port is COM port 10, and choose this according to your Nodemcu version, and let's upload the code into the Nodemcu. Okay, now we need the IP address of your Nodemcu. So to get the IP address, we need to open the serial monitor, and you have to reset your Nodemcu. So I am pressing the reset button. You will see that there is a reset button on your Nodemcu. So as I press the reset button, it is now restarting, and you see there is the IP address. So it is 192.168.0.1. We need to copy this IP address. This will be used later. Okay, so now it's time to set up the compim. So double click on it, and here you will see the first thing is the baud rate. So as I have said earlier, we are using 9600 baud rate, and another important thing is that the physical port. So as you see in the while uploading the code in the Arduino IDE, as you see that the port is COM 10, so we need to set that port there. So I am writing COM 10, and here inside virtual baud rate this will also be 9600. Okay, so the compim setup is complete. And now we need to set up the serial monitor or the virtual terminal where we will see the output. So as you can see here, the baud rate is by default 9600. If it is anything else, you need to change it, or otherwise keep it as it is. So let's say okay. So our Nodemcu part is done. Now we need to write code for the Arduino. So while you send the data, the Arduino will read that data, and based on that data it will turn the LED on or off. So now let's go to the Arduino code. I'll provide this code in the video description. So here, as you can see, we have chosen the digital pin 7 for the LED, and the both of these cases, the serial communication speed need to be same. It need to be 9600, and inside the while loop, I have set up while serial.available. While it is receiving any data from the serial, it will read the string, and as you can see here, I have put a hash to let the code know that it has reached the end of the string, and if the string is light on, it will turn the light on, and if the string is light off, it will turn the light off. So we have to now compile the code. So you must need to choose the board here, or it will show a compilation error. We need to choose Arduino Uno, and nothing else is required. So we don't need to upload this code, we just need to compile this code. So let's compile it, and from here we need the location where the compiled code is located. So this is the location. You need to find the hex file. So just mark it and press Ctrl C on your keyboard to copy it. Please notice, if you don't see this compilation log, you may need to turn it on. In that case, go to File, Preference, and from here you can see that you need to check these two things: 85 code after upload, and also choose this compilation and upload. so you will get the compilation log. Okay, so let's minimize it and go to the Arduino, and from here program file you need to choose the location. So I am just pasting it, Ctrl V to paste it. Okay, so we are all done now. Now connect your Nodemcu to PC again and open any browser and the IP address we copied earlier while uploading the code to the Nodemcu, type it in your browser and enter. So you will see an interface like this. If I maximize it like this, so we are ready. Now we need to test it. So to test it, let's turn on the simulation. Okay, our virtual terminal is here. Now let's bring this window back, and when I see when I click on LED on, you see the LED is on, and you also get a message light on. So let's try turning it off. You see the light is off. Again, LED on, light is on, and LED off, light is off. So that was pretty much all of it. Let me know in the comment section if you have any queries, and thanks for watching. Please like the video and subscribe my channel.